Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So my friends, in this video I'm talking about the Dogecoin to the moon. Ready? Yeah, and almost promoted Dogecoin. That's why I'm telling you the Dogecoin to the moon. There's no doubt. But just wait, my friends, just wait. If you hold for long term Dogecoin, so I think there is no doubt that Dogecoin will make you a millionaire. If Dogecoin are going to hit a 1 USD dollar, so absolutely they'll make you a millionaire if they hit a 1 USD dollar marks. Anyways, now at this time the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.185015 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Dogecoin, and if you talk about the price changes, so sometimes the price positive, sometimes the price negative, sometimes the price positive. That's the rules of Dogecoin markets. My friend, simply that from the last 1 month the Dogecoin price falls down, and still the price of Dogecoin is going down. So at this time they have no idea to the price will pump and you will get profit. Just wait for a long term. If you want to earn from Dogecoin, so you have to hold for long term. Absolutely, the people understand that Dogecoin going to hit a 1 USD dollar, but now 0.18 USD dollar is the current price of the Dogecoin. The price is very badly fast, and you can see it from the price chart. Everybody can understand the falls of the Dogecoin happens. Everybody, sorry, everybody can understand the falls of the Dogecoin happens. So now this time I recommend for all of you that holding is the only way to earn from a Dogecoin happens. Hold. Wait for the huge pump. Wait for the quick jump of the Dogecoin happens. And very soon Dogecoin going to the moon. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.